Exercise 5.1 Continuity and Differentiability Standard 12 Question number 8 Find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by fx is equal to mod x upon x when x is not equal to 0 is equal to 0 when x equals to 0. Okay, so first of all I will simplify this function. So therefore fx is equal to, see, when x is negative mod x will be what? Minus x. So this will be minus x upon x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0 when x equals to 0, it is given, is equal to when x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, x is not equal to 0 means x can be greater than 0 or less than 0. So less than 0 we have taken the case, minus 1 we are getting. When x is greater than 0, mod x will be what? Plus x. So we will get x upon x, that is equal to 1. Okay, it means fx is equal to minus 1 when x is less than 0, fx is equal to 0 when x equals to 0, and fx equals to 1 when x is greater than 0. We want to check the point of discontinuity. Okay, so we'll start. There will be how many cases? 3. For x less than 0, x equals to 0 and x greater than 0. Okay, so case 1 I am writing. Case 1, x is less than 0. Okay, let x equals to a where a is less than 0. So in this case fx we know, when x is less than 0 what is the function? Minus 1. Okay, so f of a I will find out. F of x is minus 1. So f of anything will be minus 1 only. Give it result number 1. This is the value of the function at x equals to a where a is less than 0. Now I will find out right hand limit. So right hand limit means limit x tends to a plus fx when x is greater than a. In mind you think, let it be minus 1. X is minus 1. Minus 1 plus means it is minus 0.9. Okay, so it is again less than 0, so function is minus 1. Less than 0 minus 0.9 means less than 0. So limit of the constant is constant. Give it result number 2. Now you find out LHL. Limit x tends to a minus. When a minus means minus 1. Left to minus 1 means minus 1.01 or minus 1.1 whatever. So that is again less than 0. So function will be what? Minus 1. Again limit of constant is constant. So from 1, 2 and 3 what you understood? From 1, 2 and 3 LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function f of a where a is less than 0. Okay, so therefore what we will say? Function is continuous at x equals to a where a is less than 0. Means for x less than 0 the function is continuous. Now case 2, x equals to 0. Okay, so when x equals to 0, f of 0 is how much? F of 0 is equal to 0. Give it result number 1. Now you find RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus. When x is 0 plus means 0.1. 0.1 means greater than 0, so function is what? 1. And limit of constant is constant. Okay. Now you find out LHL. Limit x tends to 0 minus fx. When x is less than 0, what is the function? When x is less than 0, function is minus 1. Now limit of constant is constant. So here from 2 and 3 we understood, from 2 and 3 LHL, that is left hand limit, is not equal to right hand limit. So therefore we can say limit x tends to 0 fx does not exist. Limit does not exist means what? Function is not continuous. Function is not continuous at x equals to 0. Limit does not exist. See, for the continuity what we need, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function. If these three things are equal, then we say function is continuous. If LHL is not equal to RHL, means limit does not exist. Limit does not exist means we cannot say that the function is continuous. Okay. Now third, case 3, x is greater than 0. Okay, let x equals to what? A, where a is greater than 0. You think in your mind, let it a be what? 1. Okay. So fx in this case, when x is greater than 0, when x is greater than 0, what is the function? 1 here. Now I will find out value of the function f of a, that is equal to 1, give it 1. Now you find out right hand limit. Limit x tends to a plus. In mind we have thought a is 1. 1 plus means 1.01 or 1.1 whatever. 1.1 means again greater than 0. Greater than 0 function is 1. So limit of constant is constant. Now you find out LHL. Limit x tends to a minus. A minus means before 1. We have thought a as 1 in our mind. 1 means before 1 means 0.99. 0.99 means again greater than 0. Greater than 0 function is 1. So limit of constant is constant. From 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3, what we observed, LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function f of a. Okay, so therefore what you say, function is continuous at x equals to a, where a is greater than 0, means function is continuous for all x greater than 0. So where it is discontinuous, where it is not continuous, at x equals 0. So it means point of discontinuity is what? 0, x equals to 0. Other than 0, this function is continuous everywhere.